Squad, what's up? It's your Skipologist, Miss Brown. Hope you guys are well. I'm back in the sun in my bikini with a new tutorial to keep you guys skipping fit the fun way. But today we're going to focus on the abs. Most of you have asked me about how I keep my abs nice and defined. I'm going to show you one key ab work that I love to do, which is great for sunbathing while you're on your phones. This one is what I call the side planks. Very easy to explain. Don't forget, guys, before I start, I'm on Instagram at Skip Squad Fitness, so please follow my account, support the movement. Also, once you watch this on YouTube, please subscribe if you haven't. This helps me to get more brands towards you quicker, and also helps you support the movement too. Okay, so let's start with side planks, because honestly, it's hot. I'm sweating. Sweating. So I know most of you are going to be out today, over the weekend, enjoying the sun and sunbathing. This is a great thing to do while you're on your phones, chatting with your mates, reading your books. So get your elbows nicely on the ground. You lift your hips up and you give yourself several inches off the ground. You literally bring your hips up and down. At the same time, you just engage your core. You hold your stomach in a little bit, you tense it, and you keep it like this as you go up and down. I like to do at least 30 of these. If you can do it 3 times, so you do 30, have a break, 30 again, have a break, 30 again, have a break. You do it on both sides. Do this every day for a week or so. You'll really see yourself getting some really nice and defined abs, alongside obviously having a good and balanced diet. So that's the ab workout. Another thing I want to show you guys to do while you're sunbathing over the weekend is some nice stretches that also help you work out your upper body and shoulders. So here's what I like to do. We start like this. It's going to be a press up, but we press down gently and then we come up. So we do it twice. So press up, we press down gently, come up, and then we take our hands, we pull it backwards, and we stop halfway. Then we bring our feet in towards our hands, and then we unwind our spine and stretch. We do the same thing coming back down. Keep your hands on the ground if you can, palms down. Climb up, take your feet down, and then gently press downwards. So again, you can do that a couple of times or so. Follow me, you ready? Right, we're gonna do a press up, press down slowly, come up, do another one, come up, press, and climb halfway. Our feet is going to meet us halfway, and then we're going to roll our body up. And the same thing all the way back down. Move our feet up, legs down, and then we're going to press down. Again, slowly and gently. There we go. So what I love about this workout is it gives you upper body workout. It actually stretches out your whole body, and most importantly, if you've been skipping a lot or other exercises, it also gives you a nice calf stretch, as well as, like I was saying to you before, a whole body stretch, especially when you raise your hands up. So that is a recommended stretch I recommend all of you do before and after your workouts, especially before and after your skipping. Speaking of which, I'm going to give you guys a recap on a couple of steps I taught you in the previous tutorials. So I'm going to show you again the Stoopid step, Peppa-dem step, and the crisscross. Watch this. Let's start with Stoopid step. So that's the Stoopid step on one leg. We do it on the other leg. And together. So that's the Stoopid step. One leg rotates on each side. You keep your heel touching the floor as you bounce. Now, Peppa-dem step. You should remember this from the last tutorial. Let's go. that's the Peppa-dem step. Again, you bounce on one leg, you kick with the other, you Peppa-dem, you Peppa-dem. And last but not least, a nice one that keeps your balance a bit good, doesn't disturb your joints too much, is the crisscross. Watch me do it. So there you go, that was the crisscross step. Again with that, you jump, but as you land, you cross your feet, so you land like this. Don't forget, those are my tutorials I've done already, so if you want to work on those properly, scroll along down, check out the tutorials individually, you can work on them. So while you're out in the sun, guys, get your melanin popping, enjoy your sun. As you can see, I've got my bikini on, there's no point in getting too cold, but remember, you can still keep yourself a bit fit, you can still get your abs on fleek. You do your side planks, add the sauce of it, and then you do your stretches afterwards. So again, thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, Skip Squad Fitness. Instagram, follow me, Skip Squad Fitness. Support the movement, skip, dance, live your best life.